Hi, this is Sharon. I'm back with another YarnYay unboxing and review. And this is for the July box from Vickie Howell. And we have this beautiful lavender paper. It kind of gives a hint as to what's in the box. So here is our project, and it's assigned pooling scarves and shawlets. So I'll explain what assigned pooling means, but here is the knitted version. Her boxes always come with a knit version and a crochet version. And this way, whether you're a knitter or a crocheter, you can choose which project you would prefer to do. And this is the crochet version here. So they're a little bit different. Here's a better picture of the crochet version. She did, I believe Vickie had said that it was through the back loop. I don't remember exactly what she did, but I know that there was something different. I can look actually at the pattern. The third loop, yeah, back loop and third loop stitches to get the purple to stand out a bit more. And then in Vickie's version, the knitted version, she made these little flowers. So since I do both, I think I'm going to do the knitted version because I really love these little florets that are in here. And the assigned pooling means that your yarn comes, here's the gorgeous yarn, and it's called Violet Fields, and it's a smooshy cashmere superwash merino. And if you look at the yarn, you'll see that it's mostly green with this little bit of purple. And the way they put the purple in it, when you knit or crochet across it, you would do something different when you get to the purple color. And that's where the assigned pooling comes in. So you're doing your regular, whatever the pattern calls for, knit or purl, or single or double crochet during the green part. And then when you get to the purple, you're doing whatever the stitch is that's assigned to that color. So it's a really cool technique. I actually haven't done it. I've seen a few videos on it, and I just haven't bothered getting the yarn to do it. So I'm excited to give this a try. And this is just so soft, and she's not kidding about it being smooshy cashmere. It is really soft. This is going to make a really, really beautiful scarfette, little scarf. So that's the yarn. And then you get this lavender sage hand cream. And let me open it and see how it smells. I'm not a big hand cream person because I never like that greasy, oily feeling. Oh, this is such a light scent. Really light. Really pretty though, definitely lavender, and I love the scent of lavender, so that works out fine. And I don't like getting lotion on the palms of my hands, so I always just put it on the back of my hands, and then I rub the backs of my hands together. Little tip if you're someone like me who can't stand the feel of lotion. It is really pretty, and it smells really nice. Okay, and this I was excited about. Oh, I'm so glad to see this. It looked like it was made out of cardboard when I saw Vickie talking about it, and I was a little bit worried, but it's not. It's more of a wood. I don't know what type of wood, but it's very sturdy. I really thought that it looked like cardboard when she was talking about it, and I was a little bit concerned, but no, this doesn't bend at all. So this is a dual use for this. So here you have your 1-inch ruler, and what you would do with this is take your yarn. Let's say you have a yarn that you lost the label from, or it's left over in your stash, and again, you don't have the label, and you don't know what size the yarn is. You can wrap it around this. You would go this way, and it'll tell you how many wraps per inch, and that'll way, once you see how many wraps fit in the 1-inch spot, you can look that up and see what type of yarn you have, what weight it is, whether it's fingering, lace weight, DK, worsted weight, all of that you can tell. And then there's these little grooves in here, which again, in her video, I didn't realize that they were actually indented grooves. So this, you can lay your yarn in these grooves and you'll be able to see, is it a lace? Is it fingering? Is it sport weight, DK, worsted, Aran, bulky, or super bulky? So like this yarn, she had told us was a fingering weight, but I could see if I take some here, if I were to put it in DK, for instance, it doesn't fit exactly. There's a lot of room still showing. Okay, so then we go to sport. Not quite. There's still, you can still see that there's some room there. Fingering, it fits exactly. And lace, it doesn't fit at all. So that's definitely fingering. And she had said that, so it's not a surprise. But you can definitely see in the bigger yarns, you can see how you can see through it and that it doesn't fit there properly. So that is the July box. I'm really excited about this box. It just looks beautiful and I love everything that's in it. And I'm really excited to make this pattern. This is just gorgeous. So that is that for this video. The price on the boxes differ depending on whether or not, how many months you subscribe for. So they're under $40, but if you subscribe to the box for like 6 months or a year, you save more money. Same thing if you do a 3-month subscription, you save more money than buying just the single box one at a time. So it's something that you have to decide if that's right for you. But I really love her boxes. I love the extras that you get. I love that I have a choice of a knit or a crochet pattern. And you can always buy more yarn if you want to double the size of your project. They tell you how to do that. So you can always purchase another skein of that yarn and make a bigger shawl. And or if you wanted to do a crochet and a knit version, you could do that as well. So that's that for that unboxing. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.